Have you ever dreamed of writing a children's book? Imagine holding your own published storybook in your hands, a creation brimming with colorful characters and captivating tales. Now, imagine that this storybook could generate a significant passive income stream for you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, this dream can become a reality. In this video, we'll embark on a journey together, exploring the exciting world of AI-powered children's book creation. We'll uncover the secrets to crafting engaging stories, generating stunning illustrations, and publishing your work on Amazon KDP. Get ready to unleash your inner storyteller and discover the lucrative potential of this exciting venture. Before we dive into the creative process, it's crucial to understand the market we're entering. Market research is the foundation upon which successful ideas are built. It involves gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about a market, including information about the target audience, competitors, and the overall industry. This step is essential because it helps us identify opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. Amazon is a vast ocean of books, and to stand out, we need to know what readers are searching for. By understanding the preferences and behaviors of our target audience, we can tailor our content to meet their needs and desires. This means looking at what types of books are currently popular, what themes are trending, and what gaps exist in the market that we can fill with our unique ideas. Spend some time browsing Amazon's best-selling children's books. This will give you a sense of what is currently resonating with young readers and their parents. Look at the titles, cover designs, and descriptions. Notice the common themes and genres that appear frequently. Are there certain types of characters or storylines that seem to be particularly popular? This information can be incredibly valuable as you start to brainstorm your own ideas. Pay attention to the themes, writing styles, and illustrations that resonate with young readers. Children's books often feature vibrant illustrations and simple yet engaging storylines. The writing style is usually straightforward and easy to understand, with a focus on capturing the imagination of young minds. By studying these elements, you can gain insights into what makes a children's book successful and apply these principles to your own work. This research will provide valuable insights into current trends and help you identify potential niches. Creating a spreadsheet to track your findings can be helpful. Note down the titles, themes, and any other relevant information you come across. Look for patterns and trends that can inform your creative process. This organized approach will make it easier to spot opportunities and develop ideas that have a higher chance of success in the market. Once you have a good grasp of the market, it's time to brainstorm ideas. Gather your team or set aside some time for individual brainstorming. Use techniques like mind mapping, free writing, or drawing to generate a wide range of ideas. Don't worry about filtering or judging them at this stage. The goal is to come up with as many concepts as possible. The more ideas you generate, the higher the chances of finding a truly unique and compelling one. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT come in handy. These tools can help you expand on your initial ideas and explore new directions. By inputting keywords or phrases related to your chosen niche, you can generate a plethora of creative possibilities. AI can provide fresh perspectives and suggest angles you might not have considered, making it a valuable addition to your brainstorming toolkit. ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool for generating story ideas and titles. It can help you overcome writer's block and spark your creativity. By experimenting with different prompts and inputs, you can discover new and exciting concepts that align with your research findings. This iterative process of generating and refining ideas will bring you closer to a final concept that is both original and marketable. Simply provide it with some keywords related to your chosen niche and watch as it generates a plethora of creative possibilities. For example, if you're interested in writing about animals, you could input keywords like adventure, dog, and friendship. ChatGPT will then generate a variety of story ideas and titles based on these inputs, giving you a solid starting point for your writing process. For instance, if you're interested in writing about animals, you could ask ChatGPT to generate titles for a story about a dog who goes on an adventure. This could lead to a range of creative possibilities, from a heartwarming tale of friendship to an exciting journey filled with challenges and discoveries. By leveraging the power of AI, you can enhance your creative process and develop ideas that are both innovative and appealing to your target audience. With a treasure trove of story ideas in hand, it's time to flesh them out into captivating narratives. ChatGPT can be your trusty sidekick throughout the entire writing process, helping you develop characters, craft dialogue, and even write full chapters. Start by feeding ChatGPT a brief description of your story idea and ask it to generate character ideas. Provide some basic details such as age, personality traits, and any unique characteristics, and let ChatGPT work its magic. Once you have a cast of compelling characters, you can use ChatGPT to create a story outline. Break down your story into chapters or scenes, and use ChatGPT to generate plot points and dialogue. You can even ask ChatGPT to write in specific styles, such as rhyming verse or simple sentences suitable for young readers. The possibilities are endless. Illustrations are an integral part of any children's book, breathing life and vibrancy into the written word. They capture the imagination of young readers, making the stories more engaging and memorable. The right illustrations can turn a simple story into a magical journey, filled with colors, characters, and scenes that leap off the page. Midjourney, an AI-powered art generator, empowers you to create stunning visuals that will captivate young readers. This innovative tool leverages advanced algorithms to produce artwork that is not only beautiful, but also tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're an author, illustrator, or simply a creative enthusiast, Midjourney offers a new way to bring your stories to life. Midjourney operates through Discord, a popular communication platform. This integration makes it accessible and easy to use, even for those who may not be tech-savvy. By joining the Midjourney server on Discord, you gain access to a community of like-minded individuals and a wealth of resources to help you on your creative journey. Once you've joined the Midjourney server, you can use the command to generate images based on text prompts. These prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of Midjourney's AI capabilities. By providing detailed descriptions, you guide the AI in creating images that match your vision. Be as descriptive as possible with your prompts, specifying details like character appearance, background scenery, and overall mood. The more information you provide, the more accurate and tailored the generated images will be. Think about the emotions you want to convey, the setting of your story, and the unique traits of your characters. Midjourney will then generate 4 variations of your prompt, allowing you to choose your favorites and upscale them for higher resolution. This feature gives you the flexibility to experiment with different interpretations of your prompt and select the one that best fits your vision. You can further refine these images, ensuring they perfectly align with your story. Experiment with different prompts, art styles, and color palettes to find the perfect visual language for your story. Midjourney's versatility allows you to explore a wide range of artistic styles, from whimsical and playful to dark and mysterious. This experimentation can lead to unexpected and delightful results, adding depth and richness to your storytelling. Midjourney's intuitive interface and powerful AI algorithms make it easy to create professional-quality illustrations, even if you have no prior artistic experience. The user-friendly design ensures that anyone can navigate the platform and produce stunning artwork. With Midjourney, the only limit is your imagination. Dive into the world of digital illustration and watch your stories come to life in ways you never thought possible. With your story written and illustrations ready, you are now at a crucial stage of your book creation journey. This is where your vision starts to take a tangible form. The words and images that you've meticulously crafted need a home, a place where they can shine and captivate your readers. It's time to assemble them into a visually appealing book layout. This process is not just about putting text and images together. It's about creating a harmonious flow that enhances the reader's experience. The layout should guide the reader's eyes smoothly from one page to the next, making the story engaging and easy to follow. Canva, a user-friendly design platform, offers a wide array of templates and tools to help you create a professional-looking book. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete novice, Canva's intuitive interface makes the design process straightforward and enjoyable. Canva provides pre-designed templates for various book formats, including children's storybooks. These templates are crafted by professional designers, ensuring that your book will have a polished and cohesive look. You can find templates for different genres and styles, making it easy to find one that suits your story. Choose a template that aligns with your book's theme and target audience. Consider the mood and tone of your story and select a template that complements it. For example, A whimsical template might be perfect for a children's book, while a more sophisticated design could suit a novel for adults. Once you've chosen your template, customize it with your own text and illustrations. This is where you can truly make the book your own. Adjust the layout to fit your content perfectly, ensuring that each page looks balanced and visually appealing. Canva makes it easy to drag and drop elements, allowing you to experiment with different arrangements until you find the perfect one. You can move text boxes, images, and other elements around the page with ease, giving you complete control over the design. Adjust font styles and sizes to match the tone of your story. The right font can enhance the mood of your book, making it more engaging for readers. Canva offers a wide selection of fonts, so you can find the perfect one for your book. Experiment with different color schemes to find the one that best represents your story. Colors can evoke emotions and set the tone for your book, so choose a palette that enhances your narrative. Canva's color tools make it easy to try out different combinations until you find the perfect one. Pay close attention to the cover design, as it plays a crucial role in attracting readers. The cover is the first thing people see, so it needs to be eye-catching and intriguing. Use bold colors, an intriguing title, and a captivating illustration that accurately represents your story. The cover should give potential readers a glimpse of what to expect inside, enticing them to pick up your book and start reading. Once you're satisfied with the layout, take the time to review every detail. Make sure that all the text is legible, the images are clear, and the overall design is cohesive. This final review is crucial to ensure that your book looks professional and polished. When everything looks perfect, export your book as a high-quality PDF file, ready for publishing. Canva makes it easy to download your book in the best possible quality, ensuring that it will look great in print or digital format. Congratulations! You've now created a beautiful, professional-looking book using Canva. With your story and illustrations brought to life in a stunning layout, you're ready to share your masterpiece with the world.